Hello guys, my name is Rahul, and so we will back with another explanation, right? Uh, Today I will explain a very important topic uh, that uh, repeatedly asked in the interviews. If you are a Node.js developer, then you heard about the REST API, right? What is the REST API? Why it's important, and what are the different other types of APIs, right? And what is the disadvantage of the REST API? So, in this video, I will talk about everything that you want to learn. So, quickly start with share my screen. Okay, 1 minute. So, what is the REST API? REST API stand for Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface. If you are understand in the simple real life example, so you heard about like suppose you are going restaurants, right? And you call waiter for orders, and you told to the waiters uh, for you want to eat pav bhaji uh, and pulao. So you can the waiters write to your order, and it will take order to the uh, kitchen. And there are some other people that make this order. If the uh, if the items are there, items are available for making this order, they send the request like yes, we can made, and it will take for time, right? If the items are not available in the kitchen, they simply said no. Okay, whatever response they send to the waiter, waiters take this response and give it to back to the users, right? Yes or no. In the similar terms in the programming, the waiters are the REST API, and we are the users, like the front end that make this request, and the backend it's the kitchen that check the availability, the data, and in the simple terms, like uh, it will make it is nothing but the messenger, right? So, what is the advantage of REST API? REST API advantage, if you are talking about the advantage, uh, okay. So, her advantage is the simplicity. Uh, it's very straightforward. Like you are asking the order, and they will get the response. And the scalability, they can handle large number of requests efficiently, making them suitable application with the high traffics, right? And also the flexibility. And if you're talking about the If you are talking about the disadvantage, the limited action, it is not good for complex tasks, right? And not real time given the action. Okay, it might take some time for the librarian to take get you the books information, right? It's not real time communication. uh, if you are comparing with the other option, that one of the option is swap means simple object access protocol, and another is a GraphQL. So simple object access protocol, it's like it's sending the letter. uh, it's like a bit formal compared to the REST API that use complex task, but it's quite slower compared to the REST API. And the GraphQL, it's like you are given the swapping list. Like you are mentioned everything about the books. You are mentioned title, author, whatever you want. You mention all of this list inside the list, and you can deliver to the librarian, and librarians get back with the specific books that you want. Right? Uh, if you are comparing comparison about REST API and the SOAP and GraphQL, so I will explain with the simple and as much as simple example that I mentioned before. The librarian example, librarian take the books, whatever you want. In the REST API, it's very simple, straightforward. Uh, uh, in the REST API, that is a simple and straightforward answer for the question. Like the REST API, we are requesting we want to book the fiction X section, right? And librarians get back to you with the fiction books. But in the SOAP, it's a uh, formal letter where we are mentioning the requested information. Like if you are want to the books that published in the last 5 years, fiction book and non-fiction section. Okay, so it's a complex task that you want to get the data. So using the SOAP, you can handle the complex data, but it's might slower compared to the REST API. And the GraphQL, how to handle this? GraphQL, we are given the details, title, author, and the publication, years of book written by the JK, and librarian, what librarian means, it is the API, right? It will retrieve the specific information you listed and to provide it to you. So it's all about the REST API, SOAPs, and the GraphQL. Uh, I think you are learning in this video. You have learned lots of things. I have not shared my screen. I have just explained the whatever the concept inside my mind that I know and that I learned before. So I just it's just explanation video that I made.